Assalamu alaikum. Hi my dear students. Welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to learn grammar. The topic is abstract nouns. Already I have taught this chapter. I hope you all understand that topic very well. Now all of you take page number 76. Okay, page number 76. Now we are going to see some exercises, okay, under the topic abstract nouns. What do you mean by abstract noun? I told you abstract nouns are names of intangible things, okay, that is things cannot be seen, okay, things cannot be seen, touched, heard, smelt or tasted. They could be feelings, okay, abstract noun means it could be a feelings, qualities, relationship, theories, conditions or even states of being, okay. So you have to remind in your mind abstract noun means feelings, qualities, relationship, theories, conditions or even states of being. These are the things we call it as abstract nouns. For example, feelings, love, happiness, sadness. Qualities, honesty, intelligence, generosity. Theories, subject, Marxism, physics, geography. Conditions, childhood, youth, slavery. Okay, so these are the things we have to identify as abstract nouns, okay. So now we are going to see in a sentence where is the abstract noun is present. Underline the abstract nouns in this sentence. We have to identify that, okay. A, the length of the rope was not enough. So in this sentence we have to find out the abstract noun. So abstract noun, I told you, we cannot see that, we can feel only, okay, like that. So here the length is the abstract noun, okay, the length is the abstract noun. Rope we cannot underline, rope is a noun, okay, rope we cannot underline, it's a noun. So abstract nouns means we cannot it's not a name or anything, we cannot feel that, okay, that is the abstract noun, length of the rope. So length is the abstract noun. And then B, there is a vacancy for the post of associate director. Okay, so there is a vacancy for the post of associate director. Here where is the abstract noun, you have to identify. The abstract noun is vacancy. Vacancy is the abstract noun. So associate director is a noun, abstract noun is the vacancy. And then C, Indians had to struggle. Indian had to struggle hard to gain independence. Okay. So here independence is the, what is this, conditions. So here Indians had to struggle hard to Indians had to struggle hard to gain independence. Okay, hard to gain independence. Here independence is the abstract noun. Independence is the abstract noun. And then D, intelligence can often overpower strength. Okay, here intelligence is the abstract noun and strength is the abstract noun. It tells of the quality of a person. Okay, that is qualities. I told you, honesty, intelligence, and then generosity. So it tells about the qualities. So that also we call it as abstract. Intelligence and strength, we called it as abstract noun. And then last one, E, the candle did not make much difference to the darkness in the room. Okay, here the candle did not make much difference to the darkness. So darkness is the, what is that, abstract noun. Okay, we can feel only, what is that, darkness, but you cannot, what is that, it is not a name or anything. You can feel that that type of word, we call it as abstract noun. Once again I will tell you. Okay, conditions, that is, condition is, it tells about the childhood, youth and slavery. Okay, that is also abstract noun. And qualities of a person, honesty, intelligence, generosity, these also abstract noun. Okay, so darkness is the here abstract noun. So here so abstract noun is to identify the abstract noun is little bit difficult only, but when you are seeing or go through the examples, then you will understand. Okay, what is abstract noun. And then here wait, so once again I will tell you, the length of the rope was not enough. Here the abstract noun is length. There is a vacancy for the post of associate director. Vacancy is the, what is that, abstract noun. Indians had to struggle hard to gain independence. This independence is the abstract noun. Intelligence can often overpower strength. Intelligence and strength is the what? Abstract noun. And then the candle did not make much difference to the darkness in the room. So here darkness is the abstract noun. So here fill in the blanks with abstract nouns. Okay, we are going to see some fill in the blanks. Just listen. A dash to animals is a punishable punishable offense. So here in the bracket they have given cruel. Okay. So you have to change it as abstract noun. You have to change it as abstract noun. How will you change? Cruel, you have to change it as cruelty. Okay. Cruelty. B. Ashraf went on a dash to Mecca. In bracket you have pilgrim. So the abstract noun you have to change, the pilgrim you have to change it as abstract noun. So it become pilgrimage. It become pilgrimage. Okay. And then C. It is a great dash for me to welcome our honored guest. So in the bracket you having please. So that please you have to change it as pleasure. And then D. Dash is a rare quality. Dash is a rare quality in people today. In the bracket you having simple. So that simple you have to change it as simplicity. Okay. And E. Sahana's dedication. Sahana's dash towards her work is admirable. So in the bracket you having dedicate. So dedicate it become dedication. So the abstract noun you have to change the words like this only. Okay. Cruelty. Okay. Cruelty to animals is a punishable offense. So the cruelty is the abstract noun. Ashraf went on a pilgrimage to Mecca. Here the pilgrimage is the abstract noun. It is a great pleasure for me to welcome our honored guest. So here the pleasure is the, what is that? Abstract noun. Simplicity is a rare quality in people today. Okay. So here simplicity, the quality they are telling. So simplicity is the abstract noun. Sahana's dedication towards her work is admirable. So here the dedication is the abstract noun. So I hope you all understand this chapter very well. So here abstract noun is very important. Okay. Noun, you know what is a noun? Name of a person, place, thing, animal, that you know. You are learning from what is that, lower classes itself. But abstract noun it's little bit difficult only. But when you are come across so many what is that, examples and exercises, then you will know, oh, this is the word is abstract noun. Okay, so abstract noun, it tells about the quality of a person, conditions, that is childhood, youth, slavery, like that. Okay, intelligence, like that. And then theory, subjects, physics, geography, like that. And then feelings, love, happiness, sadness, everything. Okay, qualities, honesty, intelligent, generosity. So everything they have beautifully given in your textbook. Your duty, after seeing the video, you have to, what is that, you have to open your book and you have to go through everything. Okay, if you have any doubt in this chapter, you can ask me. Okay, until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum.